Good morning, guys. Good morning. So we're sending some emails away, and we're all set and ready to go. Good morning, everybody. Happy Monday. Happy Monday. So I'm just looking over this. Okay, yeah, we're good. Happy Monday, legends. Hope we're all doing well. Kia ora, kia ora, kia ora once again. Sub Colton. Sub hype. Did someone sub? I didn't see one. No, I'm sure I didn't see one. There we go. Back over here again. Audio's a bit quiet. Yeah, still got to adjust everything. Should be good now. Okay. The plan today. Let's try and get this face done today. That's what I want to get done today. Get the face done. I want to have this side done today, hopefully. Get that banged out. And then we carry on from there. How are you guys though? This tripod is weak, man. Oh my days. So I'm just trying to adjust this other tripod, but jeez, it's a bit rough. She's a bit rough. Yeah, so the plan today. Oi! Oh, Gripsit, thank you very much for the Optimus Prime getting us started for the day, my bro. What's up, King Kang over on YouTube? Thank you very much, Gripsit. Thank you, brother. Thank you very much, thank you. Sorry, just setting up this other tripod. I'm setting up like 3 different tripods nowadays. And it's just trying to make sure that it, sits nicely. Jai Nakura, morning, my bro. Sorry. Here we go. Too many frickin' tripods, man. Okay. That should be better. Alright. Okay, let's carry on. Good morning. Let's get underway. Sure. So, Siege, how you doing, brother? Alrighty. Now we're back on this face again, so that's all we got to get up to. We were on this eye last stream, so to the eye we will return. Okay, so just gonna bang that out. Here's hoping we can have all of it set, pretty much. Have the whole face set today. That's what we want to go for. Chevaloon, shit, you're up early, my bro. Morning, TikTok. How are you doing? Shit, you're up really early, my bro. Yeah, so we are looking at celebrating our 6-year anniversary next weekend. Not this weekend, next weekend. Although my Twitch anniversary is tomorrow. But yeah, we're gonna plan celebrations for next weekend. I can't do this weekend because it's Anzac Day. And we're going to attend Anzac Day because this will be baby's first Anzac Day as well. Nathan over on YouTube, how are you, my bro? Choo. Thank you very much, Delirious. Good morning, my bro. Hope you're doing well over there too. One of our frequent TikTokers, NCAL. Thank you very much for the aroha. I see you, Delirious. So it's Anzac Day tomorrow, this weekend, and it's my 6-year anniversary tomorrow. Now we aren't gonna do anything tomorrow because, like I said, it's my baby's first birthday. So Bubba's kind of taken my day, and I don't mind. I don't mind one bit, you know. Ideally, I'd like to celebrate baby's birthday more. What's up, Zelj? How are you? Hope you're doing well. Hope you're doing well. I was so tempted to play Mouse PI again today. I actually really enjoyed that game, eh? Have you done a kotiate? Yep. Been a while since I've actually done one though. But yeah, I have done one. Which way's our grain going over here? Okay. Nope. Okay, so it's going, so our grain's going this way. Happy anniversary, my guy. Hey, thank you. Yeah, sorry we can't celebrate on the day, but yeah, that plan pretty much went out the window when my baby was born on the same day. Many years later, or 6 years later, to be honest. So yeah, we'll look at celebrating properly next weekend, okay? Chicho Maria, thank you very much for that. Maria. I see you. Thank you very much to Sam and Trixie for the aloha. Baby eagles, especially since they don't stay that way. Yeah, bro. Different ball game when they start talking back here and their ears suddenly stop working. Hey, cheer, Roy. 44 months, my bro. First of all, my bro, hope you are looking after yourself too. I know you've been busy. Busy ass. Thank you very much for the aroha, brother. But baby's good, my bro. She's well, she started walking last week, so yeah, just in time for her first birthday. She yaps a lot too. Loves being outside. But all in all, my bro, she's happy and I'm happy too. From NZ, but in Aussie now. Oh, true. I don't think I could ever live in another country myself, eh? Oh, is Oba's match on? Oh, I forgot about WrestleMania today. If I'd have known, I wouldn't have streamed. Wait, is it free on Netflix? Ooh, do I just finish stream and go watch WrestleMania? Nah, I better not. I better not. Fuck, that'll be a mean match to watch too. Obo and Brock Lesnar. That's gonna be physical as, bro. Oh yeah, my niece is getting them too with the talkie. My man, does she always make you Oh really? That's cool, brother. Arch Love, thank you very much for the aroha. Arch Lover, sorry. And again too, bro. Thank you very much, my bro. No, I'm not canning the stream to watch WrestleMania, guys. Don't worry. Hi, Bacon. How you doing over on YouTube, my bro? Volume on YouTube is a little low. Really? It's on full volume for me. Just marking out our head because I really want to try and get this all shaped out today, at least. Ideally, that's what I'd like to do today. Or get done anyway. Hey, what's up, brother Aaron? Yeah, bro, Speed did quite well, eh? In WrestleMania. I was impressed, bro. Really impressed. He had some mad airtime as well. Like off the top turnbuckle. I was really happy for Jacob Fatu as well. Can't imagine how surreal that moment is. Would have been an unreal moment, bro, in his journey. Sorry guys, this is a bit off. Here we go. Can't believe that video I saw of you during COVID. Yeah, bro. Legit. It's the 6-year anniversary for their video too. Crazy, bro. I'll do a video about it tomorrow. I'm not gonna recreate it though. Hell no, no thank you. But yeah, we'll do a video for it tomorrow, just a bit of a big thank you. Need to download some clips, man. Glad to catch everyone. What's up, Frugo? Bro. W streamed the other day, bro, with S-Fan. I pretty much stayed for the whole setup. Just watched the whole thing, bro. To those on Twitch, if you haven't already, please go through and follow Frugo as well. Another craftsman, another creator, who literally created the Dark Portal from World of Warcraft. Yeah, bro, I was there for the whole thing. I was pretty much chilling, so I had to come through and watch, bro. Yeah, when you just walk through the door, I was spamming for Cosmo down on the on the on the chat. What else was I spamming? Looking for level 60 to power level shield, bro. Thank you very much for being here as well, sir, over on YouTube. How you doing? Okay. What's everyone on TikTok saying? Should probably say morning, morning, everybody. Morning, morning. Hope everyone's doing well. Good to see everybody again. And hope you've had a wonderful weekend. Some of yous will still be in the weekend as well. So I hope you're having a solid Sunday too. Not sure what you get up to on a Sunday, but yeah, I don't do anything. But yeah, much love to everyone tuning in right now. So what we're currently doing is a... Why did our music stop? No. What's up, Nido? Your name reminds me of one of my favourite Gen 1 Pokemon. Nido King. Such a good all-rounded Pokemon in Gen 1, man. What Whakairo design you working on? So we're doing a double-sided Heitiki at the moment. I do have to start another piece offline today. So I'm going to be doing a little bit of that. You're going to be doing a little bit of that, my bro. But behind the scenes, the timber's actually behind me. So that block there. So I got to slab it. Got to slab it today and see if I can crack it. Hopefully. Looking healthy, brother. Thank you, my bro. Yeah, I was mucking around doing some poses in the gym yesterday. I don't normally do that, but I was just doing it for a laugh. I did shoulders and... What else did I do? Shoulders and... arms. Felt good. Felt good starting to see the separation between the chest and the shoulder. And the cuts in the shoulder and the try and the buy. You mostly do commissions or gallery work. I have done a few gallery pieces, my bro. I have. And then there's some I've just done for fun. Like this one here was just for fun, bro. So that one there. So this is basically just a variation of a Heitiki that we've done before. So this is a Heitiki, guys. To those that don't know what this is. So where did the inspiration come from for the shape? It actually comes from a newborn. And the way we get our Heitiki is when an adze blade has run its course, because we used stone back in the day. So we had stone tools. So when basically, you know, over time as the blade has kind of chipped away and they can't really use it anymore, they would use that to make these Heitiki. So the remaining remnants of the adze stone is what they would use because it's tapered. Oi! Eggless omelette. So would that just be capsicums, spinach and cheese? I rate it though. Thank you very much for the raid. Welcome on through. Welcome. Where was I? Yeah, so we use stone. So we use Onewa, which is grey wacky river stone, and nephrite jade. Nephrite jade is one of our most renowned materials we have in the country because it's only down south in the river. And you need to have a permit and permission from the iwi or the tribe down there. So with our adze blades, they normally have a natural taper. And that's kind of how... So this doesn't have a taper on it. It was from a block. So that's kind of how we would get our shape sometimes too. So the inspiration for the mold itself, where it came from, was from a newborn child. So our tiki would normally have the head on the side or on an angle, okay? So this one's on the side, this one's on the angle, as you can see. Because, you know, when babies are born, they can't really hold their head up. It's normally like pinched to the side or just lying down to the side or something like that. And that's kind of where the inspiration for this form came from. So with this tiki here, you can see that there's two different kind of forms to it. So there's the square one and the rounded one. Keep in mind that these are the traditional forms that we use. I just put them into one for fun, basically, and to just show off the different variations that we have with this. So as you can see on the bottom there, that's one side that we use, like the square side, and then the rounded one up the top there. There's the rounded side, so that's the one everyone uses, kind of the more common one, and the square side. So yeah, I just wanted to show off both variations in one. Now, on the top here, you can kind of see the curvilinear style design there. That's called Taratara Akai. Now, this is an inspiration that was named after someone called Kai, who was a priest. And basically, he took another ancestor's whale, but he told him to give it back. After a while, you know, the whale didn't return and it came back with bits of it being cut off. So they ate it, basically. And that upset him, and the only thing they knew about this priest was that he had ugly teeth. So, you know, worse than a hillbilly. And they were all jagged, and that's the only way they knew who Kai was. And you can see the notches here. Those notches represent his teeth. Over there. So this is how you would do the design traditionally, okay? Taratara Akai. And the way they found him, okay? So the owner of the whale got his sisters. They went to his tribe, and the way they made him smile was, you know, dropping the top of the shirt. And boy, oh boy, did he have a big smile. And that's when he came out of the canoe and clapped him, basically. And yeah, so that's where the inspiration for Taratara Akai came from. It mainly comes from the East Coast, okay? So a lot of the tribes along the East Coast would use this, but there are references to these are designs been used inland as well. Thank you very much, Vladi. Thank you very much, my brother. And then on the bottom here, you can see that it's more square. This is more contemporary. I just wanted to fit it into the square side. And even on the face here too. So instead of the middle ridge that you see here, I dug it out to see what it looks like. And I like the style of it. Probably going to start doing that. So what I did as well, so we only added linseed oil. Now the main reason why I don't use heavy stains is if the, you know, the grain, you see the grain of the timber, I don't like hiding that. So you can kind of see from the face, you see from the face into about here, and then it changes again. Those are the kind of things I don't like to hide when it comes to Whakairo. So I just use an oil-based stain. But yeah, that's pretty much him again. Close up. Close up again. And I'm contemplating giving this one away for our 6-year anniversary. What do you say? What are your fellas' thoughts? Thank you very much, Known, for the roses too, my bro. What are your thoughts? Are both eyes different? This one's only got one. So yeah, we could possibly give this away for our 6-year anniversary. Instead of trying to give away, you know, like a keyboard or something, I think it'd be more on brand if we gave away a carving instead. And it would make more sense to give a carving away. Let me know your guys' thoughts on it. Did you sell your carving somewhere? I normally just do it through Genuine Connection first, my bro. So just flick us an email. broxcarver@gmail.com, my bro. I'll give you a carving for free if you power level me to 60. As a parent, I am feeling the fatigue, good sir. I'm feeling the fatigue and the left behindness. Thank you very much, Matthew. Or mostly make for fun. So commissions, my bro. Some I do make for fun. It's just a lot of experimenting as well. So everything I do, my bro, has already been done. Okay, so it's all like my ancestors did this before me, pretty much years ago. Let me show you another one. We've got another crafter in the chat, guys, so you know, I definitely like to make time for other crafters. So this one here is another one. You look like you need a massage. Yeah, bear in mind, muscles are stressed as. But that's why I have a personal thermometer for my wife. No. So this is, I'm joking, by the way. She probably slapped the shit out of me. This is another carving we do, my bro. This is called a popo. Thank you, Skies. This is called a popo, P-O-U, P-O-U. Now, this is how we would normally portray our ancestors, my bro, in our meeting houses. So we have these things called wharenui. Translated, it just means big house, okay? But a wharenui is a fully carved ancestral meeting house. And we named them after, as I mentioned, our ancestors. Now, with all the tribes that we have around the country, not all of them carved the same. So there are multiple different tribal styles out there too. And then, you know, there may be some sub-tribes that might change it a little bit too. Is it lagging for you? Oh no. Is it lagging? Def James, thank you very much for the love, my bro. I think our TikTok stream's lagging a little. That's probably why the views are dropping. One moment. I'll put them on the other side, try and put them closer to the Wi-Fi. I don't know if that'll work though. Thank you, Josh. So, yeah, this one again, my bro. So this is a popo. P-O-U, P-O-U is how you spell it. Now, there are many ways we like to portray our ancestors with these. It kind of depends what they do in their life, kind of thing. Oh, the details are great. Yeah, I'll give you a close-up soon. So, with one of my ancestors, he's quite renowned for kind of... How do I say this in TikTok terms without getting banned? He clapped his older brother. And it was the statement he made after that which kind of solidified him. Basically, he, I don't know if you've seen it, Indiana Jones, when he goes, Kalema, doo-doo, doo-doo, doo-doo. Well, he used something called a patu, which is one of our shorthand kind of lag, bro. Okay, it's because, bro, since we got this new modem, it's been shit, eh? Like our internet provider clicked. Oh, bro. Yeah, I just gotta make sure I don't get banned, eh? So, gots to be careful. I'm just trying to get this phone closer to the Wi-Fi, but brother. I don't know if it's still functioning. Since we got our new modem, the internet provider goes, it's the latest one and you have to replace the old one that you're using, and I'm like, bro, this one's shit. This one is shit as, bro. What type of wood are you carving? At the moment, what I'm carving is pine, so nothing too great, you know. Pine's not that amazing to carve. yeah, bro, so I don't know what's going on with this modem that we had to use. I mean, we've still got the old one, so I'm wondering if I just be that guy and swap back to it. Are we still lagging? Because everyone's leaving the TikTok. I don't see any. Oh, it's more for TikTok. Because the PC or the laptop I'm using is on an internet cable. It's more so the phone running off the Wi-Fi. Anyway, I don't know if it's still lagging or not. So this one here. So as I mentioned with our popo, you know, we this is kind of how we portray our ancestors too. Now we have many different tribal styles throughout the country, and not everyone carves the same. Okay. This is made out of Cody. Could be a TikTok issue, maybe, but I'll be honest, our Wi-Fi, since we got the supposed upgrade, it's been pretty shit. So that's them there. So we finished this back in 2021. Yeah, sure. This was the year after everything happened with COVID, right? Was COVID still around in 2021? So yeah, this is one we did. Let me show you the detailing there. So this is one of our more harder designs we use is Pakati Hi-Hi. So that's him there. And the thing with the Mātātua Popo, it's got like quite a simple mold. Simple as minimum timber used. Like bare minimum. So that's yeah, one of the many that we have. I think I have another one somewhere. So this is another variation as well. It's like a more smaller one that we have. So this is a Te Arawa style. So the other one was Mātātua. And this one's Te Arawa, just another one there. So you can see a completely different style altogether. Do you sell these? Yep. And at the back too. Had to put the mark on. But as you can see, like different mark entirely, or different style. So that's and geez, I can't remember when we did this one. It's been a long time. It has been a long time. Yeah, I don't know. TikTok stream might still be lagging. I'm not sure. No one's talking. Love from Morocco. Kia ora. What was it that your ancestor, he was known for basically offing his older brother when they went to war with each other. So basically what he did, you know, when the war was won, he stood over his tuakana or his elder, grabbed his patu, his club, wedged it right here, cracked him open, and ate his heart in front of everyone. Back in those days, that's basically how you made those kind of statements, eh? Like a big one. And that's the way he's depicted through Whakairo too. So that style you saw earlier, that's what he would look like, but he'd have two sticks and a heart in the middle. So that's when you know, oh, that's Tūhoi. So that's how he's known. So he's the youngest of his siblings too. So he kind of basically took his reputation. Yeah, he took his reputation and everything, and then he became the more renowned one. But later on, he did die. Like his nephews pursued him, but he was older back then. Like he did get older, and he gave them a bit of a punch up too. But at the end of the day, like old age got him. He couldn't keep up, and he died on the west coast. He lies in a place called Kafia. And one day, when the fuel prices ain't, trying to blow my back out via card, I want to go there and go to where he's buried just to see him. And just to, be in the presence of my ancestor. But yeah, that's my ancestor on my grandfather's side. Keep in mind with, genealogy within Te Ao Māori, within the Māori world, it can be really complex. Thank you very much, Aiden, for the roses, my bro. Are we still lagging on TikTok? I don't know. No one's talking. Yeah, no one's talking, so I really don't know if we are or not. Okay. Could be. We're good. Oh, no, more on TikTok. Not so much the other 3 platforms we're on. Can be passed through generations. Yeah, bro. Hard. Like, as you know, I've got that family heirloom, or some of you know. Should I just go and grab it so everyone has an understanding? I'll just go and grab it, eh? Let me go and get it. So this here. Yo, thank you very much, One Potato, for the raid, my bro. Kia ora. Welcome on through, my bro. You've caught us on a story time. Are we still lagging on TikTok? I don't know. How do I chat? It doesn't actually give you the option to chat, eh? Yeah, my phone is like fully... Hold on, guys. So this tool here, this ads blade here, okay? This was given to me by my grandfather, who's the chief of our tribe, okay? This one here. Now, it didn't come to me straight away. It didn't come to me straight away. How it went about its life before it came to me. So, my grandfather's dad actually found this. And what he said was that it was in, he found it in the lake. He found it in the lake. What lake? Lake Roto Iti is where he found it. Yeah, Lake Roto Iti is where he found this this adze blade. Now it belonged to a carver known as Whare Toroa. So that's who this tool belonged to. But I got a raid and run. No, you're all good, bro. Thank you very much for the raid, though. Thank you. So this tool belonged to an ancestor by the name of Whare Toroa, who's basically in my genealogy as well. Now, when my great-grandfather found it, he gave it to my koro and he told him the story that, I found this, and I've later discovered that it belonged to this particular person. And so it came to my grandfather, and my grandfather wasn't a carver, okay? So he didn't really use it. But then there was a master carver at the carving school I went to, okay? And my grandfather had given it to him to use. And so he used it for many years. And then, you know, back in 2015 is when I applied for the carving school and got accepted. And yeah, went about my studying, and my grandfather found out that I was a carver. Now, in my grandfather's line, there weren't really many carvers in there until I came along, and then he had found out, and that's kind of where, you know, this tool here kind of started, you know, making its way to me, or it was about to. So my grandfather sat me down with the master carver that had it, and he goes, okay, it's time to give it to him. And I went, hey, what are you talking about? Like, I was clueless. There's clueless Bill over here, not understanding what they're on about. Like, he just said, nah, it's time to give it to him. There's a carver in my line now, in, you know, our family tree. And at first I was like, you know, no, I'm all good. I don't think I'm worthy of this. And my grandfather said it's for that reason that you are. And I can't say no to my grandfather. Why? Because he's the chief. He's the chief of our tribe. He's like the main man with all the knowledge, you know. So I can't really double back on his word and try and get out of it. So I kind of just accepted it, and yeah, it was given to me, and that's pretty much how I got it. So this is pretty much an ancestral heirloom at this point, and then my grandfather said hold on to it till the next one comes. And you know, I'm not sure when that's gonna be or how. I'm just gonna cancel the TikTok, guys, because no one's talking and it's cooked theirs. I don't even know if anyone's watching because it's gone quiet. So I might just can it. I swear, bro, our internet we have, bro, is shit since we got the new modem. Fucking new high-tech modem, my ass. New high-tech modem, my ass, chat. I tell you. So this is pretty much mine. Yeah. Let me see if it's still sharp here. Still sharp as. Yeah, if it's still lagging, I don't think, you know, streaming on TikTok should be the thing, because I'm wasting your guys' time. Apologies for not being around. You're all good, bro. You don't need to apologize for that. Mouth wide open and just listening. Let me have another cut. I want to have another cut. Hold up. Yeah, I don't know if the TikTok is still lagging. I'll probably just can the stream, eh? Been a while. I haven't really needed to use it, eh? Still sharp. Yeah, I don't use machines to sharpen this either. I just use a stone. Thank you very much for the 57 months as a tier 3, my bro. I haven't been here in years. How you been? How you been? Hope you're doing good, Yog. Okay, is the TikTok all good now? Is everything okay on the TikTok now? I'm not too sure if it is. I'm just trying to get you as close to the Wi-Fi as possible. So you still actively use it? Yeah. Have to, my bro. Have to. Nah. This is an heirloom that will be used, my bro. None of those alpha on a shelf kind of things. This guy's going to be sinking it, stealing it in timber until I'm done with it. Looks good to me far away. Oh, okay. If you don't mind it, then I'll carry it on. Let me just go and put it back inside. This sleeps on my side of the bed. There may have been a sneaky guy sneaking around the house one time and I walked out with it. So if you picture either Afa or Sika with an adze blade in shorts, that was me with this. So I gotta cut that timber behind me today, and there might be a stream where I just fully send it and see if I can finish majority of it in one day, or I might just do it offline, although I might get bored. No, I'll do it on stream because I get bored and want to talk to someone. It's boring, bro, carving with no mates. Like, I mean, you get a lot done, but it's still boring. Personally, I'm not a fan of it. That was a legendary, I wouldn't say legendary carver, just a carver. I touch more wood than a gooner. Within reason. Thank you, Jimmy and User. Thank you very much, guys. How you been, though? Loves to spooch. Loves to spooch. Love me a South Park reference. I still really want to watch their Warcraft episode again. Guys, I don't know if our... oh, there might be, actually. Our VTuber Pokemon... oh, Pokemon. Our VTuber trading cards will be here, hopefully, before the anniversary. OMG, you knew it. Yeah, bro. I used to watch South Park as well, my bro. My favourite one was, yeah, World of Warcraft, then... what's the other one? Fuck, there's been so many, eh? But yeah, the Warcraft one's probably my favourite, for obvious reasons. The Sword of 1,000 Truths. How they come up with these ideas, man? I love it. They're too bloody clever, bro. Good skip that episode. Mom, bathroom. Bathroom. What do we do now? We play the game. So what I'm doing, guys, is just getting a better angle on the mouth. But this isn't the final angle. We still have to go this way as well. So I'm just kind of setting a sharper angle like the other side. so it's not so round. And then we'll go back over it again and set the angle. But before we do that, we still got to do this eye here in the nose. So we're kind of just setting everything for now, okay? How are we doing? Thank you very much, Finjaquist. Did I say that right, brother? I'm sorry if I did it. Sorry. Love from Morocco. Much love, Raver. How is it over there, my bro? It'll be late, eh? Is it still double-sided? Yeah, we're just doing the other side. Guys, I'm sad. I haven't played ranked. I thought League of Legends ranked ends in December or October, but apparently it finishes tomorrow, and it looks like I'm gonna miss out on my main man's Victoria skin. All my days. Orisi, thank you for the galaxy. Thank you, my bro. Thank you as well, MH. I'm sorry. Yeah, carving as well. I will probably miss some, but thank you very much for telling me too, so I can say thank you properly. Love from Virginia, bro. Keep up the good work. Cheer, brother. All the way in Virginia. Jeez, what's the time over there? 10 years. You're genuinely the first to ever know that from... Wait, really? Bro. Loves to spooge. I'm surprised no one knows that reference. I'll be honest. I just can't remember what episode it was. Sorry, MH. Thank you, Connor, as well, for the rose. Hey, what up, Damage? My G. Hope you're doing good, brother. Hope you're doing good. Ooh, okay. So, where's our grain going? I was a bit disappointed with my wife over the weekend, because if you don't know, Chad, I love listening to Josh Tatofi, a very renowned Polynesian artist in this day and age, probably the biggest, I'd say, now. And bro, I love his songs, and he was here over the weekend, and I asked my wife last year if we could go, and she said no, because of the fuel prices. I mean, you know, it makes sense, you know, but I was so keen to go. I would have been that guy and done a dono gold just for gas. That's how much I wanted to go. But she said no, so I was like, oh, I don't like you today. I was like, I don't like you today, so I'm going to play the game all day. Thank you very much, Big Mitch. What's up, butter? It's tough with me when Fia was in town because we didn't get... Oh, brother. The last concert I went to was Teddy Swims, but that was last year. But when I heard Josh was on the way, bro, I was like, please, let's go. We're saving for a house. I know, but can we go? No. Oh, you suck. You're not my wife for an hour. Logs into WoW. Oh shit, Galaxy. Thank you very much, Charlie Easimus, for the 10 roses. Sorry, I'm scrolling back. Big Mitch with the Galaxy. Thank you very much, good sir. And HK2S2G for the heart. Did you go to the game? Which game? Yeah, pretty much told her I don't like you. Talk to me in an hour. I'm single for an hour. I was doing those ones. And she just went, oh, shut up. I'm single for an hour. Leave me alone. Sending love from the UK, bro. Keep doing what you're doing. Thank you very much, brother James. I know it's late in the UK, so don't stay up too early for me, my bro. Wait, he's a good friend of your cousin's? Oh. I'd love to go to Oahu one day. More so, you know, to connect with the locals and just talk about the stories, eh? Like even going to Tahiti as well. So that's probably my ideal trip. is going around to all the islands and retracing my ancestors' steps, or just where they went to when they navigated. Did you go to... Yeah, which game? Because it's not my cup of tea, but I love chicken in on you. Chicken in on you. Oh, Ollie, I hope you're good. I hope you're good, though. That's the main thing. I have been trying to figure out how to stream game desktop stuff on TikTok, but it's hard, eh? Some people have like the camera up the top end and the rest of the game down here. Some have a little camera, little game, little picture down the bottom. So I'm like Chris Brown. I'm undecided on which way to do it. I'm a bug you cuz if you do. Yeah, nah, go hard, brother, go hard. Well, where I live, my bro, in Rotorua, we are the biggest and most renowned place for Maori tourism. So if you want to be immersed in it, this is the place to be. But if you want to time it, my bro, next year or every 2 years. So next year is the big Kapahaka Nationals, bro. And it's actually not too far from here as well. So maybe if you want to work it around that. I need to come visit NZ sometime and do travel around for a few weeks to meet the locals, learn the area. Yeah, bro. Oh, that's the thing with locals here, bro. They'll tell you. I mean, it's their job too. Yo, Brock Summer sub. Only if you want to. You can just chill out. Make sure you got enough money to get you shopping. I bought me a Coco Bella coconut chocolate water this morning. J.O. morning, Nicotine. Morning, my bro. So, yeah, I've gone off fizzies. And I love my Coco Bella. But because I live in Aotearoa, New Zealand, we're behind. We don't have all the flavours. We've only got chocolate and coffee. But yeah, love my Coco Bella. If I get a sponsorship from Coco Bella, bro, what's your favourite pieces? All of them, bro. All of them. It's hard for me to choose, but the thing that makes me enjoy or love every single piece that I do is more so, you know, what happens along the way. Like, for example, we carved this meeting house, or this maho. It's like the front of a stage. Biggest Maori wood carving in the world. And it's called Te Matatini. And that's going to be pulled out of storage next year. So it's only ever used every 2 years. Okay? And there's a lot of entertainment for the tourists. He teaches Tahitian. Oh, mean. That's mean, bro. One little law fact about me before I met my wife. My weakness when it came to my type was Tahitian girls and Kanaka girls. That was my type when I was in high school. And they were never around, so yeah. And then when this Hawaiian group came to our high school, I was like, hey, I'll look after I'll look after one of the groups. But yeah, they used to be my type when I was a teenager. The Polynesian girls. Some ones that were Maori anyway. Then I ended up with a Maori girl. All the way from the East Coast. Thank you very much, Dark and Hold, for the roses, my bro. Hey man, how are you? I'm doing good, bro. I'm doing good. Went to the gym yesterday. Did my training. Did my post muck around posing. I just do it just to muck around for myself, really. You would like my uncle. You would like my uncle went to Tahiti and stayed with my now auntie. Oi! Yeah. Oh man. Thank you very much, Fenny and Dark and Hold. I hope you're not actually doing Fenny though. When I was 10 was all of them. This guy. You dog, Brooks. Hey, yeah, nah, that was me when I was young, bro. I was a bit of a hangy pansy. Like, because I had long hair when I was a teenager as well, and you know, I used to look after it all the time too, like I do now. Like when the internationals came in, I'd let my hair out and just stand on the field playing rugby, and and they're like, hi, and I just wave my hair out, and, oh, hi. Using my long hair as a pulling tool. Ain't seen you for a big dog. Good to see you, Jerry, brother. I'm doing good, my bro. I'm doing good. Rugby wise, my bro, but I was just a prop, bro, because I just ran straight. It was dumb though, because we played against a lot of private schools, and they were, you know, not as big as we were. I mean, they probably didn't eat corned beef like what we did. You look like KSI's brother, not gonna lie. Digi, brother, you need some glasses. Shout out to the bro Digi though. He gives me a follow on. He gave me a follow on Instagram. And he dropped into the Twitch stream. And he's a nice dude. He's a nice dude. And anyway, I can't be KSI's brother. You want to know why? 4 fingers. 4 head. Not 10. The brother needs 2 hands. For just cut it off, man. Yo, David, thank you very much, my bro. Thank you, brother. You know, watching wrestling today. No, I've got to do what I have to first, and that's Whakairo. What time is Roman Reigns match? I was so happy for Jacob though. Seeing his come up, man. I didn't even know Jacob. He doesn't know me, but brother, I'm so happy for him. So proud too. Yo, brother Ed, thank you for the 51-month arenas, my bro. Thank you. How's your planning going, brother? How's your planning going? Thank you very much to August Lindell and Rick Ferry for the Aroha. I hope I said the bro's name right. Yo, Young Khan. Thank you very much for the raid, my bro. Hope you're doing good. Coffee hat. Keeping the lights on. Hey, I see you. We're just talking about my past endeavors as a teenager. He used to like his Polynesian girls a lot. Hope you're doing good, brother. Sorry about the construction in the background, guys. They take like 3 years to do one pothole in the road. Not even lying. Hey, much love to you too, my brother. Raza, thank you for the roses over on TikTok. Yo, Trink, thank you for the 14 months, my bro. Hope you're doing well. Hope the art has been going even better as well. Hope the art has been amazing too, brother. What's up, Tom Lane and Austin over on TikTok? Thank you for the aroha. Thank you to those that are watching on YouTube and Kick as well. Glad to see you. You're still using it? Yeah, bro. Still using it. Still going hard. Using it on the raids. I haven't really thought of any other emotes, I won't lie. I've kind of run out of what to have. You've lost some weight, mate. Yeah, so we've well, we were at 146, as most of you know, kgs. We do kgs here down in this side, in the southern hemisphere. And yeah, I'm sitting at 119 at the moment. Did you ever give those subs back? I tried to talk to Twitch about it and they wouldn't let me. So what I did, I used that all to pay for my grandmother's funeral instead. That was probably the biggest purchase I ever made as a streamer. Paying for my nan's funeral. Manatu. Hey, Laputanga. So what we're up to today, guys, is doing a double-sided Hey Tiki, okay? Your mic is still low. Hold up. I've got it on full bore on the thing. Hold up. Just readjusting the volume now. Thank you, IGN. Jeez, that's a long name. IGN Riley Mine Donuts MP. Thank you. I heard someone bought you a gaming setup. Yeah, that was the bro Panda. Panda TV bought that. And then, well, actually, Anzac Day, a couple years back, I ended up paying him back. Good to see you, Khan. I must drop into one of your streams, my bro. My schedule's like all over the place these days. Having too much kids. Dinosaur brother called it Jurassic Park. What's up, Prez? Your woodworking skills are amazing. Thank you. What music's on? Bro, I'm just playing World of Warcraft music, eh? Thank you for the roses, my bro. And Aaron Duddy, did I say that right? Can't stay, bro, but I hope... No, you're good, bro. If you can't stay, brother, go to sleep. Stream much earlier nowadays. Yo. So, you would finish around this time. So you're probably streaming when I'm waking up, too. I'm normally up at like 5:30. Go for a run. And get my ass back to do the school drop-offs. Oh. How long have you been carving for? Since I was 12. I'm now 34. 34 years old, laddie. Bit of an old bastard. Just wanted to hope and wish you all the best from Sweden. Hey, true, Oliver. One of my good mates is from Sweden. He's a rapper. And a little thing about him, he used to watch me when he was in high school, apparently, and yeah, they made me feel old. I was like, oh, thanks for that. Bastard. Thank you very much, Aaron, once again, my bro. What's up, Connor? How are you, bro? I'm gonna lurk around, have you in the background while I do some work and get food. All good, my bro. Go get you some food, my bro. Go do your thing, go do your thing. Yous are making me want to finish stream and go watch WrestleMania, though. How long till Roman Reigns' match? He's pretty much the only one I want to watch today. Him and Obafemi's. What you been working on lately, Tree? Thank you very much for the hat, my bro. Yeah, what have you been working on lately? Joe Nicatude, if you're still there, hope you're having a good day, my bro. Have you ever cut a religious piece, like a cross? I've designed one of my mates once. But yeah, I don't really... I'm not a Christian, so... Nah, not that much. I just put some designs on it, but that's as much as it went, like in terms of religious, I guess. Hey, what's up, real Batman? I'm Batman. I don't know why my screen's gone dark. Is the stream okay? Okay. We're going blind. Who, you? That's not good, my bro. Right, TikTok is just so scuffed today. Sorry, chat. TikTok was trying to do that verify your live stream thing and it just kept loading. Still going strong, eh? Oh, you know, I always will. I'll never stop doing what I love even if I'm not streaming. I'm Australian. Good for you. Oh, bro, this fucking thing is just not gripping. Oh my days. I need a better tripod, bro. Tomasi, thank you very much, brother. Oh, it's more my TikTok camera's going dark for some reason, so, and I don't know why. Thank you, Riss and Mateo. I love you. Keep it up. I'll do my best. I'll do my best. Hello, Lil Kebab. Greetings from Tampa. Kia ora, brother. Tampa. What's the time over there, bro? The only thing about losing so much weight there is you get colder easier. I've usually got a coat on around this time of the year. I'm talking body fat. Hi from South Africa. Hello from Portugal. Lag bad there. Yeah. It's I'm probably going to have to move my setup closer to the Wi-Fi somehow. Shout out from Byron B. Oh, okay. Thank you very much, Nick. Hello from Ireland. Hello. Okay. I think this is good now, so we can start rolling it. Other way. Okay, I think we're good. Ciao, Ariki. Did you go to Te Puia? I did years ago. Graduated in 2018. Went back recently. Our names are still not on the graduation board. I don't think they ever will be. It's the good guy. This guy is so famous, right? I don't know. I don't really care about fame. Why? It doesn't get my work done. I do. Yeah, never really cared about fame, eh? I'll be honest. What NFL team do you go for? The Cowboys, majority of the time, and I watch the Warriors now. And Penrith. Those are probably the teams. How do you keep your tools sharp? With a sharpening stone, or, if you're lucky enough, a sharpening wheel. I have one in storage, a sharpening wheel. I'll probably use it when we have a shed. Because at the moment, I wouldn't want to leave it out here. Too many people got sticky fingers around this neighborhood. J Social, once again, my bro, very proud of you and your achievements over the weekend. Where are we? Holy, there's 323 people watching on TikTok. I need to make a video too, just saying we're going to be celebrating the 6-year anniversary. Thank you very much, Akani. What a long time. Yeah, bro. How long ago was that? Like 6 years ago? Far out, that's a long time, eh? It's actually my 6-year anniversary tomorrow on Twitch, or streaming full time. I haven't really got anything planned because that's my daughter's first birthday. So we're going to be looking at celebrating the next weekend. Would have been this weekend, but it's Anzac Day this weekend. And it's a time to remember our forefathers that went to war. So we'll do something next weekend as well. For Arsenal, that's our football team, right? So I heard a kid and I thought it was one of mine, but they're at school. Yeah, so it's her first birthday tomorrow. She was basically born on the day I started streaming 6 years later. Or 5 years later, I should say. And she was born last year. So we're going to be doing a little something for her. My kids got me a little Donkey Kong this morning, or they gave me a little Donkey Kong this morning, saying, "We know you can't celebrate your day, but here's a Donkey Kong." I was like, oh, I was quite taken away by that, because it's the little things that are quite big to me. Must have been exciting. Yeah, it was, bro. It was a day of no sleep for all of 24 hours. And then being in the birthing unit with my wife for the majority of it. Mr. Durden, thank you very much for the 63-month arenas. And then on my Twitch anniversary, I caught my child being born. Thank you, Freddie and James, or our third child. So yeah, that was probably the most memorable stream anniversary I ever had, the 5th year, I'd say. Thank you very much, Rays and B. Thank you, Durden. I came from the vid that says, "How true." Yeah, I heard or I got told that that video is circulating around again. So I was quite surprised that it's even still doing that, to be honest. I figured at this point it would be gone like the wind, you know. Yeah, still surprised. One moment, guys. Just cleaning up this nose. Where are we? Someone trying to read all the texts? Oh, I'm trying, my bro. We're on 4 different platforms, so it keeps me on my toes, that's for sure. Do you sell what you make on your lives? I do. I don't have a website though. Main reason being behind that is because why I don't like having a website is because it takes away me making a genuine connection with somebody. Call me old-fashioned, but that's how I like to operate. I'd rather make a genuine connection with somebody than a sale. Rather get that connection between myself and you know, the recipient first, and then make the piece. So it feels a bit more special to the individual as well. You know, I just don't want to be a robot too. That's what I think about it when you have a shop. So we are on Twitch, Kick, YouTube, and TikTok. TikTok is our heavy hitter platform these days. There's like 400 people watching. Do you get private messages? Yeah, I get private messages about, you know, mainly from bots on TikTok. Hi, do you want a lion? Hi, do you want a lion? Hi, what is your talent? Hi, when do you stream? And I just say, oh, just show up. Do you have a stream schedule? I have so many bots in my DMs. If you ask if I'm single, I let my wife read those messages so we can laugh together. So yeah, keep that in mind. Wicked Libra Namihi and Charlie and Blaze. Kia ora, kia ora. Yeah, man. So I get a lot of do you have a girlfriend? Messages on Instagram. I'm like, hey babe, look at these. So yeah, that's our little giggles we have together. So yeah, keep that in mind. Said out a weird company asking me to work with GTA RPing thing, me shark money or something. Oh, true. Yeah, there's some like random offers out there. Like I pretty much just spin the casino ones. I'm like, no thank you. Can I just have 100 hectares of land? And then you get some of those. There's some companies that'll email me, and they'll be like, "Can we use your socials to post one of our videos? And we'll pay you $10 or $100." Yo, Anthony, thank you for the galaxy, my bro. Thank you. And also, Wicked Libra, have a good day too. Connor, thank you very much for the rose. And yeah, $100 for a post. And I'm like, how does this affect LeBron's legacy? That's usually my my reply email I do. I don't even watch LeBron James. Just thought I'd put that out there. Thank you very much, no, Toby? Did I say that right? For the brand new tier 1. Thank you, good sir. Thank you very much, Nick Jitsu, and Anthony as well. And yeah, it was Nick Jitsu. Sorry, I had to re-look at that one. Thank you very, very much. I've been trying to figure out how to use a VPN as well, guys. Woodcarver learning how to use a VPN is quite frustrating. Keep doing what you're doing, brother. Thank you, brother. I'll do my best, my bro. I'll do my best. Yeah, I've been trying to figure out how to Splitgate? Is that what it's called? I don't know. Because the GTA server I play in, you need a VPN nowadays. And I can't stream it while using a VPN either. Which is kind of dumb, but I'm trying to figure it out as I go. Okay, so this is looking nice and shaped out, this face so far. Okay, let me show TikTok as well. Getting back into RPA. Oh, I've always been jamming it. I just haven't been able to stream it online. So we're just slowly marking it out so it looks somewhat like this side. So we're just marking it out now. But what we have to do now is kind of make sure everything's all the same, okay? One moment. Oh, so neat. Manatu e maputanga. Okay, yeah, that's good. I so seita. Where are we? We are good on to. Do you remember me, sir? I'll be honest, I can't remember, good sir. Sorry. I'm not gonna lie and say I do. Caden, thank you for the donut. I wish I could eat a donut right now, but I'm dieting. One must stay strong. I so seita. Thank you, Caden, and is it Nizzy? Did I say that right? Kia ora Pam, kachi pia hea koe, and CMR. Pia here. Hope all is well. Jaden, all is well, my bro. All is well. I'll be honest, what I've been enjoying the most these days has been training. Training, my bro. Just kind of got the bug for running at the moment, so just been training hard for running too. Never in my life did I think, oh yeah, let's go for a run. Good to see you again, you're a legend, man. What's up, brother Jay? How you doing, bro? So we started a calorie deficit last year in October. And we started at a weight of 146 kgs. Now we are sitting at 119, okay? As you get, I feel like it's hard to lose weight, just feel okay with myself. Yeah, the body changes, eh? The body changes, so you kind of gotta adapt as you get older. Find what works for you. But I've been a big boy all my life. And, like the lightest, I've only ever been like skinny once. Well, that's when I was in my 20s partying every weekend on the beers. And the lightest I ever got was 85 kgs, and I did not like that. That was yuck. Greetings from Malaysia. Kia ora, bro. Much love, random guy. How are you doing, good sir? Just making sure I keep up with everybody. One moment, I'm looking away. How so songy. I had a game of Fortnite with my nephew yesterday. Bro, that game does not feel like Fortnite anymore. It feels like collab night. Bro, there's so many, like... I feel like collaborations can kind of kill the identity of a game when there's too many. So it was a bit different seeing like bloody Pixar with Looney Tunes and all that shit. Currently playing Witcher 3. Oh, bro, I need to do another run through of Witcher 3. When's the next Witcher out? This year, right? Is it out this year? they did a Jack collab. Oh, bro, I'd love a new Jack and Dexter game, eh? I wish they would make another one, but who knows at this point. I've got Crimson Desert. I just haven't, gotten around to playing it. I'm a bit invested in hardcore WoW at the moment. Is it good? Yeah, I just haven't brought myself to get around to jamming it. I played Random Fact, but the actress who plays Yennefer is my cousin. Which one? In the game or the show? Still here, bro. No, you're good, social. Do your thing. Thank you very much, Deanie Weenie. Thank you, brother. And the show. Oh, true. Where are we? Okay, we're all good. Thank you, CJ. Thank you, good sir. Oh. Yo, Lemmy, 1983. Thank you very much for the 3 months in advance, good sir. Thank you, brother. Appreciate the love, man. Thank you very much. Coxie, thank you very much for the roses too. Jay, Lemmy. My dumb ass is thinking of something and said, let me have a word with you. Let me have a quick word with you, please. Yo, what's up, Majono and Coxie again with the roses? Jeepers. Sorry, my bro, my dumb ass is thinking of that. How many pencils you lots this carving? But I'm a female. Oh, sorry. Let me have a quick talk with the Sorry, it's just the thing that came to my mind when I saw your name. Let me have a quick word. Thank you, Coxie. Holy crap, my bro. Griffin, thank you very much for the rose as well, brother. I just saw a TikTok about you and searched you on YouTube, and sure enough, here you are live. Hey, what's up, brother? Is it Loopzin? Welcome through to the stream, my bro. My name is Brox. I'm a traditional Maori woodcarver. I touch more wood than a gooner. Yes, I said it. More wood than a gooner. They could never reach the level of satisfaction I get when finishing a piece. Thank you very much, brother, for being here and showing love on the YouTube stream as well. Our quietest platform is Kick, but I'm trying to grow that too. Thank you very much, brother Lenny and CJ again. Big Len. Sorry, paranormal activities going on. There's this one lady, so she's just gone past. So there's this one lady, I don't know what's in the box she's holding, man. But she just always walks past like this. She's not holding anything, but she's always walking like she's got an invisible box. And it just intrigues me sometimes saying, I wonder what's in the box. Yeah, we have a few very elevated people around here. What happens when you mess up or you cut the design? We don't make mistakes, we make adjustments. There's always going to be a way around it. Those are good to do, because then it starts as training to learn how to adapt and overcome that, eh? That's why I always say, never be afraid to make mistakes. Because That's how you learn. If you don't make mistakes, whee, you must be the man. You must be on. Thank you very much, Scholar. And sorry, I saw the other one. Who was the other one? Scouter. Oh, I can't even read. Missed you going live because I was logged out of my phone. All good, my bro. You're all good. Always good to have log out days, my bro. I do that too. You know, it's not ideal when trying to, you know, continue to grow on social media, but a good log off day is a very good day indeed. I encourage everyone to have a log off day. You know, you can play the most HD game in the world and it'll never beat being outside. I'll say that much. And no 59 ain't gonna look as good as outside. Just saying. Thank you, Pelican Big Richie. Oh, Pollock, sorry. Thank you very much for the Aroha guys. 542 people watching. How many of you's on the toilet, I wonder? Because I do shit talk a bit too. Shit scrolling as we call it, eh? Shit scrolling. Yo, ST Blast, thank you for gifting a sub, good sir. Thank you very much, brother. Oh look, we got someone laughing. I think West is on the toilet. Could be, could be. If I see laughing faces, I see that as a yes. That is me. I see what y'all doing. I see what y'all doing right now. You deserve it, bro. Thank you, brother. Gonna try and be as consistent as possible, my bro, to get our numbers up. And have fun along the way. Alright, there's our angle that we need to set. Let's clean up this mouth. Where are we? Don't forget to sign the sheets. What? How many years have you been carving all in all? So I started when I was 12. 12 years old is when I started, you know, the journey within Whakairo, my bro. And where we are in the journey at the moment, I'm 34. 34 years old, my bro. So yeah, we've been at it for a while, pretty much. Lei, thank you very much for the manawa. I see you. So it's pretty much been a lifetime commitment, pretty much, my bro. For ages, for the longest time I can remember. It's been a big commitment for me. So I was introduced to Whakairo back in Kura Kaupapa. Now what Kura Kaupapa is, it's basically a Maori immersion school. And they're still around today. And then, yeah, pretty much took off from there. Like my uncle was basically, you know, the catalyst for my introduction to the art form. So honouring his legacy is something I take really, really seriously. Like really seriously. Bless his soul. Yeah, he's not around anymore. unfortunately. It's been like, what, 2 years now? 2 years since he passed. So it's, you know, definitely, as I always say, I take his upholding his legacy very seriously, along with my own too. Whilst adding to my own, I should say. Yeah. Shitpiss, thank you very much for the gifties, my bro. My goodness, that name, fella. That name. So yeah, these are just things that run through my mind kind of thing when it comes to Whakairo as a whole and just my uncle. And then when I left home at 16, I moved out. Moved here. Wanted to do my last year of high school at Rotorua Boys High School. Graduated. And then I went to the carving school here too to upskill and learn more. Done that. Graduated. So I got accepted in 2015. So I finished in 09 and I was just doing, you know, just a normal job. Well, not so much a normal job. I was doing concerts, like performing, doing kapahaka in tourism. That's one way our people make money here in Rotorua as well, is doing concerts. And it can be good money, but you know, when you do it full time and you have a lot of performers that don't like or they like to slack, and you got to pick up the brunt of it, it does get a bit hard on the old body. But yeah, I did that for a while, and then yeah, decided I might apply for the carving schools. So I was still carving on my own at home and kind of refining what I was taught by my uncle. And then yeah, got accepted into the carving school and graduated in 2018. So there was an intake of 5 of us and only 3 of us graduated. The other 2 got fired. Unfortunately. Sorry about that, Eric. Thank you, my bro. Yo, Bangreen, thank you very much for the fern, my bro. Sorry, I'm just putting this in my voice. Oh my days, it's not sitting properly. I have to do it this way. Thank you, Joe Mama. Cheer, bro. Thank you very much, Collie. And how do I say that? Rugby for the gifties. One moment, let me just cut this. I saw Seita. Bro, still doing what he loves? Yeah, brother. Even if I wasn't a streamer, I'd still be doing it. 100%. What was that? How are things going? Good, my bro, good. No. My kids are happy, my wife's happy. We have a roof over our head. Even though we're renting, you know, still be grateful to go to sleep in a house with a full stomach, you know. As I would say, got nothing to be ungrateful for. I so sita. Marie, thank you very much for the rose. You're getting nostalgia? Oh, sure. No way I found them. How you doing, AL? NPC, thank you very much for the aloha. Just trying to make sure it sits nicely. At the moment it's not. How are you doing? Myself? I'm doing good. I'm doing good. Also, guys, got acknowledged by one of my family members this morning with my training, and I was buzzing. Little things, eh? Little things for me. You're wearing your po number? No, that's my wife's one. I don't have one. I wore my wife's one on the performance. So I don't have one. What are you working on today? We are working on this heitiki here. Sorry, I didn't realise the camera angle was balked. How come you don't have your own? Because I'm not asking for one? Yeah. I don't need to have one. You sound more right. No, I'm Maori. Yeah, I don't really need to have one. I don't mind. Where are we? So I'm just trying to keep up with the chat. Natu le mafutanga I so seita. You're real the goat. Yeah, I mean, I eat, sleep and shit just like everyone else, my bro. The only difference between me and maybe a few of yous, I go front to back. If you go back to front, ooh. Brother, ooh. Dirty gooch, brother. He's waiting for something deep and meaningful. Nah. I'll show you soon. I'm just trying to get the angle on this mouth at the moment. Oh, it's not sitting. Not too. Dickhead, thank you very much, my bro. And even burger. Did I say that right? I just joined my front to back. What are you talking about? Wiping methods. If you're back to front, you're ooh. Oh, easy bidet. This man loves Poseidon's kiss with pressure. Thank you very much for the roses. Finally found you. How are you? Thank you, Navy Bet and Oscar. I so Sita. Right. Okay. What's our mouth doing? So I'm just evening out, making sure it's symmetrical on both sides. There you go. Okay, much better. Just popping in to see my virtual high five. Virtual high five? Thank you very much, fella. Virtual high five, good sir. So got one side there. And there's the other. You can see. So let me put these other three up so they can see the whole thing. And the other side there. What's this piece going to be? This is going to be a Heitiki. What's up? Is it Cairo? Did I say that right? Thank you, brother. Dead ass, I thought there was bread. Your ass is hungry, so I'm gonna get you some bread. This would, yeah, leave a lot of splinters in your mouth, my brother. My man, go and get you some food. Go and get you some food, good sir. What age did you start for Whakairo? 12. 12 years old, my bro. Okay, how am I going to do this one? Hold up. A lot too. Bro, I was hungry. I mean, I'm hungry too, so. But I gotta wait till after stream, you know? Gotta get my stream in. My ones. Gotta get the carving stream in first. Who knows, I might finish early, go and have lunch and watch some wrestling. Nah, it depends. When does anyone know what time Roman Reigns' match is on? What's the bet it's gonna be on when I have to go and pick the kids up from school? Would not be surprised. Knowing my luck. Thank you very much, Mikai Sam. Did I say that right? Yeah, did I say? I hope so. Hey, sure, my brother. What happened to our background ambience? David and also Diamond Thingy. Thank you very much. And Lenny and Egodi Link as well. And A Emoji and AJ. Oh my days, guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. What's up, Arcane? Aussies are moving for. Oh wait, there's 900. How the hell is there 951 people watching the stream right now? Holy shit! One no, thank you very much for the 61 months over on Twitch as well, my bro. Sure, brother, we're good, my bro. We're good. I understand, you know, work can be really busy. Sorry, I'm screenshotting this for memories. 1.1k. Far out. I've never hit numbers like that in years. Especially on Twitch. Thank you very much to everyone tuning in. Geez, it's moving very fast now. Hi from Toronto. Where's everyone from right now? Thank you very much, brother One Node, for the 61 month arenas, my bro. Yeah, international roll call. UK, South Africa, Germany, Manitoba, England, British Columbia, Arizona, England, Japan, Australia, South Africa, Canada, far out, California over on Twitch, Nigeria, Malaysia, Singapore, Alberta, Sydney, Ireland, Singapore, Philippines. Oh, look at the chat just go, bro. That's crazy. We got California in the Twitch chat as well. Kosovo, Pakistan, Taz, Indonesia, Iran. Oh, what is going on with the TikTok stream right now, bro? Michigan and Twitch, and also Canada, BC, and Ukraine. What does the BC stand for? For Canada. Jamaica, Singapore, Philippines, Jamaica. Bro, what is going on with the TikTok right now? Sorry, I'm just taking photos for memories. I'm that guy. I like to remember stuff. Okay, I better carry on working, eh? Jeepers. Norway. Over on Twitch. That's why you guys are my biggest platform now on TikTok. You fellas go ham. Thank you very much. Holy, no, I've not hit numbers like this in years, like view count wise. I'll be lucky enough if I have over 100 viewers on Twitch. Far out. Sorry, this is just unreal. Thank you very much for all the aroha too, all the gifties. Sorry, I'm trying to keep up with everybody. Wait, is there a place called Gibraltar? Like actual? Thank you very much, Zayden. Bro is back. Oh, AJ, thank you for the galaxy, and Leon as well. What in the Coco Bella is going on, bro? Thank you. Thank you for the aroha, guys. At the moment, all I'm doing in life is just making sure everyone enjoys the stream. And yeah, being a dad and a husband is pretty much what I get up to outside of the stream. BC. Oh, British Columbia. Not me thinking before Christ. I start my first shift on Howden's Kitchen Joinery tomorrow. Carpentry company in the UK. Brockshaw, my inspiration man. Wish me luck. Hey, you don't need luck, brother. You just need to go hard and enjoy it. That's sick, brother. That's sick. Go hard, my bro. And point your co-workers my way to sub to my channel. Nah, those ones say. Point your co-workers this way. Put the work card on Twitch account, my bro, and sub away. Joking, bro. Thank you very much for letting me know, my bro. But all in all, man, no seriousness, enjoy it, brother. Just have fun, learn, be a sponge, and enjoy your new profession, my bro. How's it going, brother? Haven't been on in a while. Love the current piece. Oh, thank you, brother. Yeah, we've been good, my bro. We've been good. Basically, other than streaming, my bro, or well, this is the first day my kids are back at school, so I can finally go hard on the Twitch or the streams in general. I don't just stream on Twitch anymore. But yeah, usually over the school holidays it does get a bit hard because, you know, my commitments as a father and spending time with the kids should always be first. And so they let me stream for like 2 hours at most and then get back into it. Thank you very much. What's that name? Hold on. Ooh. It was the Safe Place Beer. Thank you very much. And Cordell as well. Thank you very much for the hats as well. Oh, that's a whale. Thank you for the whale. What the hell? Thank you very much for the whale. Are you in New Zealand? Aye. Aotearoa is where I live. It's where I'll continue to live. I will never live in another country other than my own. I'll feel too disconnected. And plus the internet here is way better. Sometimes. I heard it's better than Australia's, so I guess that's a start. Thank you very much, the great King Dan. Oh, Big Dan. Thank you for the Optimus Prime, good sir. Much appreciated, brother. What's up, Octavius? How you doing? And also Speedertron. How you doing as well, brother? I would love to meet you. You're such a chill guy. Oh, yeah, as long as we're going to lunch. If there's going to be any meeting with any people, I'll be like, hey, other than standing here and talking, shall we feed our faces? Because I'm hungry. Thank you, Cordell and Edwin and Jobs Sakuka. Did I say that right? Oh, Craig Knock with the Galaxy as well. Thank you, bro. I think one of the things we should do, like as streamers, when people come to talk to you, I think the best thing a streamer should do, or just like, you know, an online person, is be approachable. You know, don't be that guy and have a stick so far up your ass you think you're better than everyone else. That's the way I like to roll. Love you, brother. Hey, much love to you too, my bro. Are you the guy who got donated? Hello, bro. How are you? TikTok algorithm? Wait, is it the algorithm stuff where everyone's coming from? I was gonna be that guy and do another TikTok video and just say, hey, did you hear about Saikuno? But anyway, this video is not about that. How are you guys doing? Just, you know, using drama to go into the algorithm and say hello. I didn't realise me and him were the same age. Yeah, I don't know, me and Saikuno are the same age. $1991. No. I still don't know this Mr. Beast video everyone's talking about. Apparently there's a video where Mr. Beast donated to me. But I feel like... So this is my argument why I think it's a lie. So, oh well, there's 4 really. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's no walls on the shed. So yeah, I definitely think Mr. Beast didn't donate to me, you know. I don't think he did. If he did, my bad. Your name wasn't on Mr. Beast. That's the only real reason why I think he didn't join the stream, because I still have no walls. Yo, Rash, thank you very much for the roses, brother. That's my reasoning behind it, okay? I just want to make that clear. Okay. Thank you for the cowboys. Harry, Tauro, and Lucid as well. And, oh, Siskio? Did I say that right? That's a hard name to say. Alright, let's draw the mouth on. Do you really need walls though? Yes, it gets cold. And I'm not fat anymore, so I get cold fast. Do you need walls though? Hell yeah. But this isn't my house, I'm only renting, so we can't do that. We're not allowed. We are not allowed. Alright? Hello, how are you? MK and Joey, thank you very much. Seymour, Nogman. Where else are we? Bro, 100 T's now playing. Oh, bro, like I don't watch them anymore. But this hoodie was gifted to me by Nade. Nade was actually the one that gave me this hoodie. He popped into the stream like years ago, and he was doing like a sponsored stream with Rockstar, the energy drink. We was just going around the streams and like gifting subs and whatnot. And I said, oh bro, I would have just been all good with a hat. And he sent me a whole like 100 Thieves care package. So that, bro, this hoodie's like color faded as, but it's still like, I wear it because of, you know, a special moment like that. Like from Nate Shop, that's pretty much the whole reason why I still wear it today. Because of that kindness he showed me. Okay. Oi! Bluebeard Unicorn. Thank you very much for the raid, good sir. You are in this video, brother. Wait, really? Can someone link me this Mr. Beast video? Like anyone? Like DM it to me or something like that? Well, someone lost weight. Yeah. Well, I was 146 kgs and now I'm 119. Can't believe I did this. Yeah, I want to see this video too. Because I don't know. Go birds, by the way. So under my faded hoodie is a faded t-shirt. So yeah, I still wear my old clothes. I don't care. Yeah. So this used to be little on me now. See? See, I was 146 kgs and now I'm 119. So yeah, it's been good. Like it's something I've been doing for myself. Yeah, it was Moist. I know Moist Critical. Yeah, I know Moisty donated to me. That's how me and him got you know, chat to one another. I really wanted to meet him at TwitchCon when I was over there in America, but he didn't go, which is understandable too. I didn't mind. I really want to finish that mouse game too at some point. Yeah, so I'm still far away from my goal weights, so I'd like to sit between 100 and 110. So that's ideally where I'd like to sit. 95 at the lowest, but no lighter than that, because I don't like being too light. I like having a bit of heft. Just not trying to be built like Moto, that's all. Damn girl, you huge. But you so lumpy. Carnivore diet. I've just been doing a calorie deficit for myself. Props to those that are finding something that works for them though. So just 5 meals a day pretty much. So in the morning it's 3 eggs with wholemeal toast and an apple, but I've switched it up again and I'm only having egg whites now. What else? What's between that? So 15 almonds. I just took the almonds out in general. I don't want to eat almonds anyway. Waste the time. And lunchtime is 200 grams of chicken, rice, and mixed veggies. Veggies. Far out. I can't even English. What else? In between that, it's supposed to be an apple or carrots and hummus. And then dinner is just pure protein. And if I'm feeling peckish, Greek yogurt at the end. Yeah, Greek yogurt. But yeah, no, I feel good. I feel really good. What's your daily intake and calories, do you reckon? I don't even know. I should really be counting that, though. I should really be counting that. My logic is me eat, me half full, me carry on. What's up, boy frog? How you doing, brother? Is that Tamako stick or tattoo gun? Question mark? Yeah, tattoo gun? Thank you very much, Dat Summer, for the gifty, my bro. I know who he is. Yes, my name is Brox. People think I sound like Korg, but the thing is, we all do here. One moment, guys. I'll just get this bit here. Now, our nose is still a bit on the thick side, so yeah. Bro, I haven't seen you in years. Last time I saw you, you had like 3 viewers. Well done. Thanks, bro. Thank you. I've got 3 viewers on Kick. Thank you, brother. Hope you're doing well too, my bro. Scratch that. Might have 2. Yeah. Hold up. Much better. Okay, let me tie my hair. Whew. Where are we? I'm trying to keep up with the chat, bro. You're the one in COVID with the subs. Chair, bro, do you still play WoW? Yes, I do. At the moment, I'm playing hardcore. So there's a bit of an event going on in the hardcore scene where a lot of streamers are race locked. So you choose a race and you can only do dungeons and raids with that race. But what I've been enjoying the most about it, oh my days, who's that? That was Junior Lesson. Thank you very much for the galaxy, bro. Absolute madman. Thank you very much, everyone. Thank you. What was I saying? Thank you very much once again, my bro. So yeah, I'm still playing WoW. But yeah, one thing I enjoy the most about WoW Hardcore at the moment is the RP side. So everyone's just been RPing their way to level 60 and it's been fun, bro. It's been really fun. the Woodman who's the Woodman. How you doing, Show Ray? Cheers, brother. It's the Woodman. How you doing there, sir? I am the Woodman. I am the Woodman, good sir. I just want to tell you that I touch more wood than a goon in 2026. How you doing there, boy? Not my best impersonation, but it's kind of just winging it. Mechi, thank you very much. And also, who was after you? And Fernando. I see you, brother. I see you. I don't think we do. I think it's the further north you go, the more you sound like Cook. One thing I don't like though, so that's called the like hoary accent here. That accent that you've all heard on Korg. Personally, I'm not a fan of it. Not a fan. But I just do it as a fan service to my community. Or communities, I should say. Hold up, something. Sorry, bro, I don't know what you're saying in your language ticks, my bro. The legend himself. How are you doing, good sir? Sorry, I'm keeping up. Okay, back over here. Hello, person OP on Twitch. Yeah, I see it now. It's a bit lopsided, the nose. Thank you very much, Simbus? Did I say that right? Please correct me if I say your name wrong, eh? Hold on, chat. Okay. So we're just trying to make everything symmetrical right now. So it's slightly off. Like it's hardly noticeable, but I can see it, so that'll annoy me, okay? And I don't like it if I can see it. Thank you very much, Kay, for the GGs. You're the guy that went viral a couple of years back. Yes, 6 years ago tomorrow. 6 years ago tomorrow, my bro. We are not going to celebrate on the day because, well, 5 years after the day that clip got taken, my third child was born. See, yeah, she stole my day, basically. Kuya Pogi, thank you very much for the galaxy. Oh my days. So one thing I better do tomorrow is shoot a bit of a video. Hold up. But we're planning a celebration stream next weekend. It could have been this weekend, but next weekend is, this weekend is Anzac Day. And around this time of the year, that's when we like acknowledge our forefathers that went to World War. 1, 2, the Boer War, and the many others. And yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing with the kids, okay? It's something that I kind of implemented for our family, that we go and acknowledge them so they understand, okay? So they understand what Anzac Day is. Especially when it comes to the 28 Maori Battalion, pretty much. That's why it's really important that my kids understand what this day's about as well. And then hopefully they can implement it for, you know, their future generations, whoever they may be. Not anytime soon though. Not ready to be a grandfather. Oh, this one as well. So my kids were talking about marriage last night. And my big girl goes, Dad, what would you do if I was to get married? I said, the bastard that's gonna marry you has to come and ask me first. And she was like, oh, okay. Call me old fashioned. That's just how I am. I did it the old way. Went to ask my mother and father-in-law for their daughter's hand in marriage. And I expect it to be that way with me too. Bello. Bello. What was the highest view count of your stream? I was here before and it was 1.4. Yeah, 1.4 has probably been the highest in TikTok. On Twitch, 29.7k, but that's because I had an international front page art showcase. That was done without bots, by the way. These days, those are like normal numbers for people. Yeah, that's like normal numbers for people that day, because they use bots. But yeah, not me. On YouTube, the highest view count I've ever had was 15. On Kick, my highest is 5. And I'm still working on the Kick channel. My 12-year-old has officially told me her first crush, so I found the sharpening stone from Whakairo. Yeah, bro, I'm not ready for that day. So this is what I've already told everyone this. My plans for when, you know, my kids get to that age where they start looking. 3 giant cactus outside the window of the rooms that they sleep in. And either Tibetan Mastiff, if I can't get my hands on that, a Malamute, or Rottweiler that will sit on the inside, so they're double parked outside the window, inside the window. Thank you very much for the gifties from, let me check. That was from Moobin. And, oh my gosh, this chat is going so fast. And, oh, I missed it. And Z, thank you for the manawa as well. What's up, Mesmo? Yo, thick black Glock. Thank you very much for the biddies too, my bro. Where are we? Saw a video of you on Facebook Reels and had to come support. Oh, cheer, bro. It gets worse, boss. His name, the kids call him Big Turtle. Make sure he counts. Big Turtle, what a name. What a name. Thank you very much, brother Sam. Are you in New Zealand? I am, sir. I am. Not much happening here today. The goals are creeping. The roadworks still take 3 years to fill one section of road. Not much going on here at the moment, my bro. There's this roadworks that have been working on the same section of road since I was 12. They are bleeding them dry. Bleeding them dry. Facebook has Reels. Yeah. Oh, yeah. That's another platform I'm using now. Facebook. Currently 1 in the morning for me. You should take your ass to sleep. Thank you very much, Ollie and Gabriel, for the aroha. Oh my gosh. Ops Zed with the Galaxy. Oh, Ops Zeddy. Thank you very much for the Galaxy 2, bro. Bro, these have been crazy today on TikTok. We hit 1.5k viewers on TikTok. Obviously, it's dropped down now, but still. And everyone's just been going ham, bro. Love the hard work to keep. We love the hard work. Keep up the work. We'll do good, sir. We'll do. Just making sure everyone's. I've kept up with everyone's comments. Alright, we're good. Thank you, Sajid and Caesar as well. 3D printing school. Hello, brother. How are you? It must be so dangerous owning a 3D printer because you can create anything. I saw someone made a banana samurai sword and I was like, that's actually pretty cool. Who wouldn't want a banana samurai sword? What are you making, brother? I'll show you. So this is all we've done so far, Twitch. So we've been working on that side, making it look like that side, okay? So this is all we've been up to. We've been just carving this heitiki here. So it's double-sided. So we finished this face. We're just working on the other side now. So getting it symmetrical is what we're doing. And then once we've done that, then the main thing we have to do is look and see what design we're going to do, pretty much. Yeah. So we're just taking our time with it. Where are you from? I'm from Aotearoa, New Zealand. That's where I live. I grew up in a place called Ruatahuna, which is basically in the Wop Wops, my bro, in the middle of nowhere. Center of the universe, good sir. Center of the universe. So yeah, that's where I grew up the majority of my childhood. And then I moved here in 2008, into 2008 into 2009. And I've been here ever since in Rotorua. Also, shall we bring back? Love to hear everyone supporting you. Thank you, my bro. Also, guys, I think we bring back the reading streams now. Now that everything's kind of settled down, we need to finish The Hobbit and move into, Bro, you thought about buying a CNC machine. What's a CNC machine? What's that? Thank you very much, Biano, for the rose. Some sort of stain. Yep, we're going to be staining this once it's done. Not sure what though. One thing I gotta say, pine looks good with a oil base, because it kind of gives off that golden syrup like colour. I like it, eh? Oh, so like kind of like what wood nah, I'm good. I'll do it. But I'd have one for fun though. So it's basically like a 3D printing machine, but wood. That's what I'm taking from it. Where are we? Just making sure I keep up with everyone. You're the nice guy. Sup, man. Hey, brother. GPS, thank you very much. And Massey as well. Computer aided. Yeah. I've seen people use it, but yeah, not for me, my bro. Yeah, I've seen those on TikTok. But yeah, I'd rather do this. Just because, you know, my ancestors at the end of the day never had those. And in order to keep the art form alive, this is the way I gotta do it. Oh no, we're good. There we go. Hello, Autumn. How you doing? Do you play rugby? Nah. Did they have AEG clamps? Who? Have you ever been to Asia? Nope. Can you reach me the haka? You can't really grab the haka. Sorry. I mean, you could grab someone doing the haka, but you never know, they might sock you in the face. You just never know. You play well midnight. I have been at the moment, though. I've been jamming hardcore. For the core. Been jamming WoW hardcore. Been jamming with the dwarves. Thank you, East Boy and Batman. I'm Batman. Oh, shoot. Johnny, thank you for the rose. Wow, that's a flash one, eh? Whooshy. Thank you, Batman and RM. Batman was single-handedly my favorite DC hero when I was young. Batman was my main man back in the day. Spandex and all. Hope you're having a wonderful day. I hope you are too, Koldos. You too, my brother. Sorry. Just gotta grab this real quick. I'm just keeping up, making sure I keep an eye on you guys. Looking down. Don't do anything. Fuck. It's getting blunt. Need a sharpen, man. I really need to do a maintenance stream still. I haven't done one of those in a while, eh? On stream. Dumb, I was at Bunnings this morning too. Could have got some sandpaper and then got some stuff for my sharpening stones. Yazoo Yahia and Munch, thank you very much for the aroha. Something about reading audiobooks. If I have enough time tonight, we'll carry on reading The Hobbit too. Because I want to learn about this wizard guy you said you remind me of. What's his name again? Bumbledore or something? I can't remember his name. Bombadil. Bombadil? I could be wrong. Bombadil? See, I've already forgotten his name. Yo, Joe Dirty! How are you? Nah, not Dumbledore. It's this is Lord of the Rings I'm talking about. I see you, Joe Dirty. How you been, my brother? Tom Bombadil, that's his name. Oh, you got Gandalf, you got Radagast, and you got the bro named Tom. He's like, hello, my name is Tom. I have the powers of a god. You do reading streams? Yeah. We were slamming the Hobbit reading streams for a while, and I think I better, if I can, bring it back tonight. But just keep in mind I'm a bit of an illiterate and it's Tolkien's wording, so yeah, it's a bit hard for me. I used to just get the books at the library with cool pictures and try and draw them, okay? I never read them. There you go. Never read them. You love playing hide and seek. Oh. Good for you. Okay. Sure. Yeah, everyone in the stream the other day was saying I would be Tom Bombadil. Was like, who's that? Never heard of him till then. Yeah, that was my first time hearing bro's name, and then everyone kind of explaining what he does, and he just chills and does his own thing. I was like, oh yeah, that sounds like me. You're a dad, right? Of 3. Of 3, good sir. Ay. Where are we? Oh, how are your kids? How old are they? They're good. They're annoying as fuck, but they're good. As kids should be. The older one thinks she's 13. The middle child is too busy trying to do flying triangles on me and then pulling my back out. And the little one just learned how to walk last week. She turns 1 tomorrow. So yeah, they're good. Gonna Apple Vision? Wait, have you got one of those helmet thingies on? Aldo and B Deku, thank you very much for the Galaxy, my bro, and Aldo for the TikToks. Have you been watching the stream with one of those headset thingies on? Like one of those, eh? Those big headset Apple things. Have you got one of those on? I need to know. Yeah, they're sick, but their nose has worn off already. Oh, far out. True, bro. Did you see Cyberpunk's made some glasses like that? You still live stream games? Yep. One of my streamer friends, she got a sponsored thing to collab with the Cyberpunk glasses that plays movies like that too. And she was saying, yeah, it's exactly like that, but you don't have a big ass headset on, you've just got glasses on. Graza! And Sam Rays, did I say that right? Thank you very much for the aloha. Let's find a quiet corner. You are a man posing as a lady with your dodgy links. We know what you're doing. You dirty covered in cheese bastard. Yeah, that's all we're doing right now. Just trying to even out the faces on both sides. 1, 2. There we go. Yeah, when is Roman Reigns' match on? Is it on soon? You dirty covered in cheese bastard. Hold on, hold on, hold on. I need to do this. Oh, is next far out? Is it almost finished? Far out. That's the last WrestleMania match, eh? Who won out of Oba and Brock? Wow, that was fast. Yeah, who won the match between Oba and Brock? No one's really saying, so I'm probably going to miss it as I go and carve this. 1 moment. Either way, I know the match would have been physical as hell, man. Oba, wait, Brock retired? Oh, passing on the mantle, eh? Did he leave his gloves in the arena? There was an interview I liked with Brock Lesnar. How he talks about some of his biggest achievements in the world. And he said none of them are to do with sports. The biggest achievement you can make in this world is raising good kids. I was like, damn. That hit me. That hit me pretty hard. Saying that. When he said that. But yeah, respected that response from Brock. I'm out here trying to do the same thing as well. Trying to do the exact same thing. Thank you very much, brother Matt. Morning from Queensland. Morning! Bro, it's like 12:40 here. What's the time in Brisbane? True, he retired, eh? Mind you, he was getting old, eh? It's a sad thing about your wrestlers, your favourite wrestlers sometimes, eh? Sorry, what did I... Thank you very much, brother Matt. You eventually see them, you know, come to the end of their career in WWE and it's time for them to finish. Well, that's a pretty cool moment if you know, it's kind of handing the reins over to Oba. Are you from Australia? No, I'm from next door. Next door, my bro. I live next door. True, he retired. That's crazy. Never thought I'd see the day. Good morning from the Philippines. Morena. 1 moment. Oh, Trick Williams won. Mean. I was hoping he'd win his match. I like Tricky. I like Trick Williams. Not gonna lie, I didn't really want Cody to win, to be honest. I think that's kind of boring. What other matches were there today? It was... would it have been Rhea Ripley's match today? The only other match I really care about watching would be Roman Reigns' one. Yeah, would it be Roman Reigns' match? Can't really think of any others that I'd watch. Got some gold. Yeah, that's cool. That's cool. I'm glad he won. Thank you very much, Joe Dirt. How you been, my brother? Mr. Dirte. Mr. Dirte all day. How you been, brother? How you been? Oh, yeah. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. The lemon pepper steppers. Hold up. That's the next thing I gotta do offline. The man who returned. Hello there, Dink Botter. How are you? Oh yeah, I bought me a new skill saw for some other stuff, for a little manual saw as well. Where are we? What's the project today? So we did the hay tiki today. We are finishing up for the day, but we'll wind down and have some yarns first. But yeah, we were pretty much doing our hay tiki today, smashing that out. And talking about WrestleMania, which I believe is still on. Other than that, man, yeah, everything's been good. Crazy TikTok stream today. That's probably the biggest TikTok stream I've ever had. Yeah, probably the biggest TikTok stream I've ever had. Thank you very much to everyone that you know, helped out with that. That was pretty crazy. Thank you, brother J and 153. Also, I need to figure out what I'm gonna have for lunch, guys. Chicken breast, put it in a George Foreman. I pre-cooked some rice last night, so a bit of that, and some broccoli. I think that's the go for lunch. That could be the go for lunch today. Thank you very much for the cats, and Jay, brother Joe, I hope you're doing good too, my bro. Hope you're looking after yourself. Hope you are looking after yourself, my bro. Shall I see how this cuts, eh? I was gonna use it on another project later. I'm not sure how good it is. See how good it is, eh? I've got to use it on another project later. Oh yeah, she's a bit of a biter. Yeah, she is too. Oh yeah. I guess that's what you want, eh? Oh, the whole timber's moving. Not bad, not bad. That cut in pretty hard. There we go. Alright, so yeah, I've got to do a bit of work on that today. Do a bit of work on this bugger, and then yeah, so one thing I'll try and do tonight is get a reading stream going. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, like if I should do it through like Twitch, Kick, and TikTok and YouTube. I'm a new subscriber. Thank you very much for subscribing, my bro. And yes, I'm from Aotearoa, New Zealand. Yeah, I'm just wondering how I'm gonna do that. The subs guy. Hello. How are you, bro? Okay, TikTok, my phone is getting flat now. But I want to say thank you very much for the amazing TikTok stream today. That was crazy. I've never experienced anything like that. Have you carved a pig jaw before? No, I only carved wood. I've never carved a pig jaw made out of wood either. But yeah, I just want to say thank you very much, TikTok, for the aroha. I appreciate you a hell of a lot for this crazy stream today. Haji and Ibrahim, thank you very much. Shut your mouth? But for now, I gotta love and leave you, TikTok. Have a good day. Yeah, my phone's getting flat. But I will be back at it tomorrow with some more Whakairo, okay? Thank you very much, and GG. See you later. Much love. What a crazy TikTok stream, man. Sorry, it's just doing a recap. Absolutely bonkers. Okay. Well, guys, that's probably going to be us shortly. I want to try the saw one more time. Wow, it digs hard. Oh, I like it. I like saws that dig pretty hard. Oh, and I just pulled it out of the vice. Yeah, this is a good saw. Beauty purchase. I still try. I don't know if I could trust you with anything. Like what? You're gonna trust me with money, IRL. I'm not gonna take it. I'll be like, that's not mine. That's yours. What if your wife was a wood plank? What if your wife was a wood plank? Yeah, if she's a good slayer of wood, my bro, she's getting... Yeah. Do you want to play a game? Molding you into next mission. Cutting you into the next commission. Charging about $2,000 on the top. Yo, Mueslik Chowder, thank you very much for the follow over on Kick. Thank you, good sir. Thank you. So I'm just testing out the saw. That feels very good. Good saw. Okay, lads and ladettes, that is going to be us for the day. It is time for lunch. But before we do that, we are going to roll up the pack. And then we are going to look for when's the next stream. If not tonight, tomorrow, same time. 9:30 a.m. So it is currently 12:51. So about 3 hours ago, or maybe just a bit more than that, is when I'll usually be live, okay? Let me just take my pack of chisels inside. Okay, let's look for someone to raid, eh? As we normally do when we finish up stream, one must pass the viewers on to someone else. Okay? Yeah, but thank you very much for joining in today, whānau. Bang over stream or no. on all fronts, or more probably Twitch and YouTube and TikTok. I still gotta work on I still really need to work on the older kick somehow. But I will try and figure out a way, guys. We will try and figure out a way to carry that on. Okay, I'm going to send you to the bro who's doing a painting stream, alright? Have a good day. Please go through and show the bro some love. He actually created a bronze statue over the weekend, okay? So please go through. Show him some love. Thank you very much for all the Aroha today. Twitch, Kick and YouTube. And TikTok today, even though they're gone. So, but please, if you can, go and show my boy some love, okay? And I will see you all later. Oh, we got 170 people here. Holy crapula. Oh, it says he's doing a painting stream. See ya.
That's what you get for not being here.